In this video, I'm going to be laying out some tenons on a workpiece where the surfaces aren't flat or square. So to get a reference face that I can work from, I'm going to be using winding sticks. There's going to be a bit of stuff to get through, but so if you want to jump ahead to the teaching bit, that's like a bit 240, 250 odd. But hopefully you'll come with me to there. G'day, my name's 𝗠𝗱, welcome to Chestnut and Ag. I've got to get this table done by Thursday. Yeah, well, that didn't happen. And it's Saturday today, so let's jump into it. Right, now that I've got that section cut out, what I'm going to try doing well, that worked well. Now I just got to do the same over here. Right, what I've done here on these tenons is cut the tenons close to the shoulder. Unfortunately, I got a little bit of tear out there where I wasn't careful enough. But anyway, I've got them down to the marked line that I did earlier. But because these aren't, perfectly straight, and the glue up and the put together didn't go great, didn't go perfect, I can't really rely on the surface of the boards to give me a surface on the tenon that is going to be true to the center of the workpiece. So by cutting these channels, I can now have room to place some winding sticks. And what I want to see is if the winding sticks are level with each other. And it looks like either this one's a little high at this side or the back one is a little high at that side. So let's take them off and have a look. So what was it? High at this side. Well, I've got that pretty straight across there. And it's pretty much down to the line on that side. Whereas here, it's not straight and there is a high point just there. How's that? How's that? How's that? Damn, that looks pretty good. So I've now got those four planes in the same plane as each other, and now I want to smooth them off carefully. So at this point of the build, I now had all of the faces for one side of the tenons referenced with each other. And so to do the rest of the tenon, all I needed to do was use a marking gauge to lay out the thicknesses and so on, and then trim to suit. This video is part of the series I'm doing on the construction of my new table. So you might want to check out some of the videos from the series already, or they'll stay tuned, and if you don't want to miss them, subscribe for the rest of the series, which will be coming in due course. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope it was useful, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye-bye. All right, let's try and get this right. In this video, I'm gonna be laying out some tenons, but in this video, I'm gonna be, in this video, I'm gonna be laying out some tenons on a workpiece where the surfaces aren't flat or square, and so I'm going to be using winding screws. Oh, I almost had it.